Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 100 WPM. Ready? The department has always strived to create an environment that promotes growth, innovation, and cooperation among all staff members. Full stop. Over the years, it has become absolutely essential to keep improving the systems of administration to keep up with the demands of a changing society. Stop. Every officer and employee should be borne in mind that progressive development is not an option but a necessity for success. Full stop. There should not be any hesitation to adopt new ideas, especially when these changes go a long way toward increasing overall efficiency. Full stop. Generally speaking, departments which embrace a long hyphen term vision tend to perform better and achieve their objectives. Full stop. The state of affairs today is markedly different from what it was a decade ago, largely because many officers have taken over charge of their functions with renewed enthusiasm. Full stop. It is important to remember that each individual has the potential to contribute to departmental progress in many directions. Full stop. For this reason, regular training programs, workshops, and sessions have been introduced for all staff. Full stop. It is hoped that side by side with technological advancement, there will be further focus on consumer goods and welfare services. Full stop. Our administrators have reiterated again and again that progressive reform must be based on well hyphen considered strategies, not on improvised solutions. Full stop. As for the scope of new projects, it is expected that every department will adopt commensurate standards in both planning and execution. Full stop. Not merely the senior officers but even medium sized teams have participated in the process of change. Full stop. In view of this, the statement of objectives was updated last year with special emphasis on the welfare of all employees and their families. Full stop. It was stated that there should be more cooperation between departments and such other things which have been well established in great detail. Full stop. By virtue of these collective efforts, much progress has certainly been made. Full stop. Our secondary education wing has reported an increase in student performance as a result of new policies and staff training. Full stop. Department heads have also taken up the responsibility to draw upon expertise from the other departments and encourage skill sharing. Full stop. For another area, it is absolutely essential that reforms be progressive and inclusive in the same way as has been achieved in other parts of the organization. Full stop. Terms and conditions of reference have been circulated so that each team knows exactly what will be the objectives and expected outcomes. Full stop. Management has stated that any future change should not be done hurriedly. Full stop. It should be based on sound planning and consultation. Full stop. Stanza. It is well known among staff that so long as reforms are well considered, much more can be accomplished in much less time. Full stop. each new program is designed to work side by side with existing services rather than replacing them outright. Full stop. Such progressive approaches should be remembered for future reference as they establish a strong framework of continuous improvement. Full stop. Our department therefore stands committed to progressive development, ongoing training, and the welfare of all its members. Full stop. With every success, another milestone is set for others to follow, ensuring that innovation and teamwork remain at the core of departmental achievements. Full stop and over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM डिक्टेशन थी. अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.